Thanks for making the time to take the What's Your Number One Kitchen Remodeling Blocker quiz. Your quiz results report is being created as we speak and should be hitting your email inbox in about 30 minutes from now. In the meantime, let's talk about your results. Hi, I'm Diane Plessett, award-winning designer and author, homeowner advocate, and creator of this assessment. Based on the information you've shared and the little I know about you and your situation, your number one kitchen remodeling blocker is what's known as the BL, limited budget. What that means is the majority of your income pays monthly expenses with little left over for savings and large expenditures related to unforeseen challenges. And while we all have to take care of our basic expenses, your kitchen remodeling blocker mindset can cause you to make decisions that you'll regret. This remodeling blocker is hard to deal with. You need and want to remodel your kitchen, but making expensive mistakes will leave you wondering later why you wasted your time and hard-earned income. The one big mistake this remodeling blocker can cause you to make is judgment errors about every aspect of your kitchen remodeling project. Many homeowners in your position decide to remodel their own kitchen, which often causes major problems in their lives. Colleagues, friends, or family members may offer advice or talk about their experience. They may offer help working on your kitchen remodeling. This makes you feel frustrated, overwhelmed, and resentful. These negative feelings impact everything you do. They impact your relationship with everyone you know. And here's the thing, the impact of mistakes gets greater over time. Not only do you want and need to remodel your kitchen, which makes you feel frustrated, but you may feel resentful when others are remodeling their kitchen and you're stuck where you are. Dealing with these feelings will take a toll on your physical and mental health. Things may not turn out the way you envision, and you're afraid of going over your budget. Every time anyone asks if you've started your kitchen remodel, how things are going, your gut feels like a volcano ready to erupt. You're afraid to risk not having enough money to retire, or put your kids through school, or take care of aging parents. It feels like the world is conspiring against you. There are many beliefs that most homeowners in your position have that lead to expensive and time-consuming mistakes. Mistakes happen when we don't take the time to check reality. Even though there is often one dominant belief that there's not enough money to remodel your kitchen, it is important to understand and be proactive about all your decisions relating to your kitchen remodel, including when to do it and how to do it. Now you may be wondering, how do you learn to avoid mistakes that others make? Mistakes related to not knowing about kitchen remodeling so you can make informed decisions. How can you learn to create a plan and follow it? Thankfully, there are some practical and achievable steps you can take to deal with the kitchen remodeling blocker that's holding you back. This is what I do all day, every day. I help people of all ages and stages of life to bust through their kitchen remodeling blockers. And I just so happen to have step-by-step instructions on this very topic. And because you've made the time to take this assessment and tell me a little about you and your situation, I'd love to give you access to a special discount offer to access my award-winning book, The Survival Guide Kitchen Remodeling. In the Survival Guide Kitchen Remodeling, you will get a logical system of steps you can follow, information about remodeling that will help you avoid the mistakes that other homeowners make. Now, the only catch is this. Because this special discount is going away really soon, you'll want to order the book while you're on this page, before the countdown timer at the top of the screen goes to 0. So go ahead and do this right now while you're thinking about it. To find out a little bit more about my book, what it offers, how it's structured, and why it will benefit you, simply click the button below now to order your copy of The Survival Guide Kitchen Remodeling.